Good evening, my dear student. Myself, Dr. Apil Sir. So I am going to solve the exercise 1.4. Student, come to question number 8. Here you see which of the following pair of sets are disjoint. Yes, they provide some sets. Just we need to verify which are disjoint. Now question is that, guys, when two sets are called disjoint. Here you see, you must remember this concept. Already we have discussed about this disjoint set in the previous lecture. Here just I will try to recall that basic concept. Here you see, two sets A and B is said to be disjoint if their intersection is phi. If there is no common element in A and B, then we call the sets are what? They are disjoint. You verify whether these two sets are disjoint or not. So you see, in the first set here, you see they provide here this one 1, 2, 3 and 4. And what is the next set here? You see x is a natural number and in between 4 and 6. Yes, 4 and 6. That means x is a natural number which is, you see, greater than equal to 4 and less than equal to 6. That means here 4, 5 and 6. So this is our next set. Now you see here these two are disjoint or not? No, because there is a common element. Yes, so which is the common element here? So if we take the intersection, then this intersection will contain here 4. Yes, so since that means the intersection of these two is 4 and which is not an empty set, that means these two sets are not. The second question here you see this set is the n question. Here you see this is n set and this is another set. Now you find whether they have common element or not. Yes, you see here E is present, here also E is present. So obviously the intersection of these two sets will contain this E. That means they are not disjoint also. Okay, that means this is not disjoint. Yes, these are also not disjoint. Now come to the question number 3. Here you see x is in this one an even integer and this is an what integer. That means you see in the first set they contain plus minus 6, all the even integer, and the second one you see here what integer. What integer means plus minus 1, plus minus 3, plus minus of 5, plus minus of 7, yes, and so on. So you see, is there is any common element of this set? No, there is no common element. That means their intersection here, the intersection will be phi. Yes, and since the intersection is phi, that means there is no common element, and hence we can say these two sets are disjoint. That means these two sets will be here disjoint. Yes, so hope all of you can solve this type of question. Okay, thank you.